In this video, we'll show you how you can use the search function on your Chromebook.
Hi, I am Nicola Graham, one of the co-founders of Simplified Change, who are a business adoption consultancy, here to help you and your teams adopt new products quickly, efficiently, and with a little extra panache. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy using your Chromebook. Now, let's get into the video.
To search, all you have to do is access the Chrome's search bar. You can find the search bar by opening up the launcher. The search bar can be used to search for apps and documents in the Chromebook and for searches on the internet.
At Simplified Change, it is our mission to change the world of change by bringing you fast, simple and creative solutions that work, so that you can have a successful adoption in any change your organisation is going through. Why not visit our website at www.simplifiedchange.co.uk and learn more about how we utilise our very own B methodology into our change projects, including training your project teams on how they too can become mini change managers by using our framework. We also talk about how we are gamifying the corporate world with our range of adoption games. Meanwhile, if you would like to learn more about Chromebook and other new technologies and solutions for your organisation, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.